CleanSpark is up 20% today, and in this video I'm going to go over why it is not the time to sell. We're also going to look at Bitcoin, see what's going on there. We do have a level to watch out for. I do think we are potentially setting up for a pullback soon. And we're also going to look at CleanSpark on the chart, and I'm going to go over some levels to watch out for there. We are very close to a golden cross. Now, if you like my videos, consider hitting the like, subscribe, ringing the notification bell, check out the links down below, and let's get into this video. And first off, Bitcoin, we broke 30,000 and we are continuing to push higher. Today, we are seeing a new recent high. And I do want to show you this potential pattern to watch out for. Now, this is an ascending wedge pattern. It is typically bearish. One thing off the bat is this pattern was broken, but after that break and after the pop back into this pattern, we are so far respecting the pattern. And if we do break it, there could be a reaction to it. But we are setting up to push towards this resistance right around the 32,000 area. This was a previous resistance back here in May of 2022, so just about a year ago. And we weren't able to break back above it and we started falling down. We may see something similar here. We may find resistance here, break this pattern, and push down, maybe test the 50 MA. Any pullbacks from this point, I think, are clear buying opportunities. And we'll have to see over the coming days if this pattern breaks or if we just continue higher and actually break out of this resistance. But just be aware of this pattern. The market may react to it. And looking at CleanSpark, we're going absolutely insane today. It's like 22% up today. I wouldn't be surprised on Friday to see a little bit of a pullback, but things right now are looking fantastic. We're getting an insane amount of volume, and that's great. One thing to realize is the RSI is becoming a bit overbought, so we may cool down, may consolidate before our next leg up. But one thing that I mentioned to you guys in my last video is we need to break this previous resistance, start seeing higher highs and higher lows, and we just did that. Now we're right at the $4 area, and this is another important level to watch. This is a psychological level, and it was a previous support until we broke it. Back around August of 2022, we were trying to maintain this $4 as a support. Once we broke it, it did become a resistance. So I want to see us break this $4 and maintain it. But another thing to consider is as CleanSpark continues, we don't even necessarily have to keep running from here, but as long as we can maintain and slowly move up along the way, we are going to see our golden cross, this green line flipping the red line. And that is a bullish indicator. I do think we're going to see that very soon, and I think this is just the beginning of CleanSpark's run. And another thing I want to bring up to you guys is earnings for January, February, March is approaching, and this is going to be reported somewhere in the middle of May. Now, in this report, we're very likely to see record-breaking revenue, and I mean the revenue we were seeing back when Bitcoin was in the $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 area. So I think that's very good to see that we're going to see revenue like that at CleanSpark's high point, back when Bitcoin was rallying, back when Bitcoin was a lot higher than here. So just imagine what kind of quarters they're going to see for revenue when Bitcoin's in the $40,000, $50,000, $60,000 level again. So I do think this quarter, the January, February, March quarter, is going to look very good, and upcoming quarters are going to be looking even better. The quarter we're currently in, April, May, June, we're already setting up for a great quarter. Bitcoin's in the $30,000 area, and if Bitcoin continues higher, we may even see a profitable quarter for the quarter we're in. But I do expect profitability out of CleanSpark in this year. But what do you guys think about what's going on today? Do you think CleanSpark is setting up for a pullback, or do you think we're going to continue to blast higher and break out of previous resistances? In my opinion, any pullbacks on Bitcoin and CleanSpark is a strong buy. And while short term we may retest some levels, we may pull back a bit, mid to long term I do expect us to continue moving up drastically. But let me know what you guys think down below. Just figured I'd give you this quick video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you later.